Not to be one of those people who's like, oh, Halloween's over, it's Christmas now, but come check out my Zazzle Christmas card order with me. These designs were all done with watercolor and ink on an 8x10 piece of watercolor paper, which I then scanned at high resolution. And on the originals, I left the background white, and then I just replaced that background with the color digitally. Same as last year, the print quality is perfect. The colors match exactly what my original colors were, and every bit of detail is captured. I'm so excited. I always go for the matte finish with rounded corners, but there's a ton of customization options. And of course, you don't need to, but I chose to get envelopes instead of doing the postcard format because I didn't want my art getting all scuffed up. Want to send fun cards, but don't like to draw? Never fear, I have last year's and this year's cards that I did available for sale in my Zazzle shop as well, so I'll put that link in the description. As far as print companies, so far I like Zazzle best for cards, including business cards. I like Redbubble for prints on products like t-shirts and bags and all mugs and all that kind of fun stuff. And then I use Shutterfly for just my regular art prints. But are there any different platforms that anyone out there has used that they might want to suggest? If so, please let me know in the comments. I'm always open to new suggestions with that kind of stuff, and it helps when someone's already tried it and loves it. Thanks for peeking at my delivery with me. I'll see you later. If you want to see more videos about art and creativity in general, then be sure to subscribe.